Hello and welcome back to TNB Academy, your trusted destination for all things related to international standards and compliance. I'm Akanksha Mishra, and today we are diving deep into a highly specialized and increasingly important topic, ISO 23412-2020. So if you are in the logistics, pharmaceutical or cold chain transport industry, or you are just someone interested in standards that impact global health and safety, this video is for you. Get ready for a comprehensive deep dive into the ISO 23412-2020 standard titled Refrigerated Delivery Services, Land Transportation Requirements and Guidelines. Let's begin this journey. Introduction to ISO 23412. ISO 23412-2020 is a relatively new international standard published in May 2020 by the International Organization for Standardization, that is ISO. It outlines the requirements and guidelines for land transportation of temperature-sensitive parcels using refrigerated delivery services. This standard is applicable to all parties involved in the cold chain logistics sector, including service providers, subcontractors, transporters, parcel delivery companies. Why is this standard so important? Because maintaining the integrity of temperature-sensitive goods during transportation is critical for public health, especially in pharmaceuticals and vaccines, food safety, perishable goods, dairy, seafood, etc. Business reputation and compliance. Mismanagement leads to losses. Purpose and scope. The purpose of ISO 23412-2020 is to ensure that parcels requiring specific temperature conditions are maintained at target temperatures, traced, monitored and documented, handled consistently across the logistics chain. The scope includes parcels under controlled temperatures from pickup to final delivery, temperature-sensitive goods transported on land, not by air or sea, both short-distance urban deliveries and long-haul intercity transport. This standard does not apply to bulk transportation such as full truckload or full container load, that is FCL. Key definition. Let's now define some of the core terms in this standard. Refrigerated delivery service. Parcel delivery that maintains goods within a controlled temperature. Parcel, a single unit packed with temperature-sensitive goods. Cold chain, an uninterrupted series of storage and distribution activities that maintain a product within a specific low temperature range. Service provider, the company offering refrigerated delivery service, temperature-controlled container, an insulated or refrigerated box used for maintaining temperature. Understanding these terms is crucial because they frame the rest of the standard. General requirements. ISO 23412-2020 outlines the general requirements for refrigerated delivery services. Service planning, define delivery routes, predict transit durations, assign temperature categories, service operation, ensure loading, unloading is done quickly, prevent temperature deviation, use pre-conditioned containers. Training of personnel. Staff must be trained in temperature-sensitive handling. Emergency controls must be understood. Monitoring. Real-time temperature monitoring is preferred. Logs must be kept. Temperature management. Maintaining correct temperature is the core function of the entire standard. Key temperature zones include frozen, that is minus 18 degrees Celsius or lower. Refrigerated 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Chilled 8 to 15 degrees Celsius. Controlled room temperature, that is 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. Requirements include preconditioning of the container, use of insulated packaging, active cooling or passive insulation. There should be a plan B in case of delays or breakdowns. Equipment and vehicles. Equipment used must be calibrated and validated, capable of maintaining temperature even during delays. Types of vehicles and containers. Active cooling vehicles, built-in refrigeration units, passive containers, insulated boxes with ice packs, hybrid solutions. Combination of both. Labeling must be clear and traceable. Traceability and documentation. Every parcel must be trackable. Unique ID for each shipment. Records of pickup, transfer, delivery, temperature at every step. Use of technology like RFID, GPS tracking, real-time temperature data loggers. All documents should be retained for regulatory audits. Roles and responsibilities. The standard clearly defines who does what. Service provider responsible for temperature compliance and quality. Carrier subcontractor must follow instructions given by provider. Receiver should check for temperature breaches. Clear service level agreements, that is SLAs, should be signed among all parties. Risk management. Risk-based thinking is embedded throughout the standard. Steps include identify risk, for example, equipment failure, route delays. Analyze impact on temperature control. Implement controls, example, backup vehicles, alternative route. Monitor effectiveness, use tools like HACCP, that is hazard analysis and critical control points, FMEA, that is failure mode, and FX analysis. Case studies and implementation. Let's look at a few real-world examples. Pharmaceutical delivery, COVID-19 vaccines required -70 degrees Celsius. Special ultra-cold containers were used. Urban food delivery, ice cream transported using insulated containers with real-time alerts. Hospital supplies, organs and blood samples shipped under strict monitoring. In each case, ISO 23412 helps prevent spoilage and ensures compliance. Benefits of ISO 23412. The key benefits are product safety, regulatory compliance, customer trust, operational efficiency, brand reputation. Whether you are a small courier or a global pharma chain, adopting ISO 23412 elevates your service quality. To summarize this, we can say that ISO 23412-2020 provides a robust framework for managing refrigerated parcel deliveries via land. It focuses on temperature integrity, traceability, and operational excellence. Implementing this standard helps companies meet regularly expectations and customer needs. Thank you for watching this detailed session on ISO 23412-2020. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy. See you in the next episode with another powerful and practical breakdown of international standards. Until then, stay compliant, stay informed, and I will see you in the next episode.